I thought we could be here.
Go and sing happy birthday with Papa. Go and sing happy birthday with Papa. Mama want to wash toilet. Me, yeah, I want to wash toilet, which means here will be dirty. So go and stay with Papa. Don't shake my this thing. I'll beat you. Go and stay with your daddy. Go and stay with daddy. Thank you.
Thank you.
She said you're welcome. Oh, you know. Plenty drama.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are doing some deep cleaning of the bathroom and the toilet, and right now I've already put the Harpic and the rest in this particular bathroom. So I'm going to be moving to my own bathroom. So the first thing I'm going to be putting is this Harpic. I'm going to use this Harpic for inside of the toilet, just to disinfect the area. I'm going to cover it as well so that it can settle. Now I'm also going to be adding this toilet washer as well. You can use it to wash the bathroom, the bathtub, anything, but even your oven, you can use it to wash your oven as well. So I'm going to be adding this as well on this sink, and on add Vim too on the sink. Then I will move to the floors of my bathroom, then add the Vim, add everything I use for the sink. I'm going to use it for the floor as well. Then I'll leave this to soak for like 10 minutes before I come and scrub them
Forever. Now it seems that we're lost in a memory. 'Cause I've been waiting for excuses. I don't really wanna lose this. Been lying to myself. Girl, you know that I've been through this. Waves of crashing, scars and bruises. I don't think that I can do this. I don't think that I can do this. When these waves come crashing down, yeah, my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, the waves come crashing down. When these waves come crashing down, but my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, these waves come crashing down.
So I'm about to wash the walls of the bathroom. I'm going to be using this sponge. Okay, this is an African sponge. You can use foam or any brush you have. So I love using this sponge because it's really when you scrub the walls, it brings out the dirt. So I'm just adding water. What's inside my bucket is just Omo and jig. Okay, so I'm just going to be washing all the walls, then I will rinse it
Her phone is on this thing.
as well.
These waves come crashing.
I look for answers, I ain't finding loads. With me and you know I gave it all my life and soul. We drifted off and still it's left me with these giant holes. Nothing to fill the gap and all I feel is highs and lows. I pour a drink and sit and wonder why we rivaled loads. See, I was man enough to leave, you gave the final blows. There's many fish out in the sea, I guess what I suppose. I think it's time I let it
These
go.
waves come crashing down. Yeah, my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, the waves come crashing down. When these waves come crashing down, but my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, these waves come crashing down. this. I don't really wanna lose this. Been lying to myself. Girl, you know that I've been through this. Waves of crashing, scars and bruises. I don't think that I can do this. I don't think that I can do this.
I'm done rinsing the walls of the bathroom. So right now I'm washing in the inner part of the toilet and the body of the toilet, just to remove any dirt or any stains that's staying around the toilet when you pee or when you do number two. You get, so I'm just going to be washing it, and I'll also rinse it as well.
These waves come crashing down. Yeah, my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, the waves come crashing down. When these waves come crashing down, and my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, these waves come crashing down. When these waves come crashing.
I still remember how it used to be. It was only you and me, on the phone at every opportunity. I used to know your number fluently. Now you see my face, you're thinking, who is he? You want the truth, it's deep. Cause now I'm losing sleep, I'm laying in this bed alone. I'm never running back to you, it's better if it's left alone. I feel the waves are crashing down, I tilt my head and float. I think it's best to let it go.
I'm using this foam to scrub the sink and also wash the tap, because when you brush your teeth you intend to touch the tap, and the tap has these hands and everything. So I'm going to be washing the tap, washing all corners of the sink, just give the sink a really deep clean. I hope this video motivates you to clean your space.
Yeah, my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, the waves come crashing down. When these waves come crashing down, and my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, these waves come crashing down.
So I'm done with everything in the bathroom. I always use a clean cloth to dry the walls of the bathroom, so that it will have that shining look, not watery look. Okay, so I always dry the walls of my bathroom whenever I wash the walls. Let me know in the comment section, do you dry the walls of your bathroom, or you just wash it and you leave it to air dry on its own? Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I hope you watched the video to the end and to see how I'll also deep clean my bathroom as well. For my bathroom, I'll first of all use this windowline to clean the mirrors. Okay, so just use the windowline and use a clean rag and clean the mirrors. And you can use paper, like newspaper, to clean your mirror. That gives it a better shine than using clothes. Okay, so I don't have newspaper at home, so I have to use this clothes to clean the window.
Look so dumb, getting bored too soon of your new hun. Don't even get me started on. You think you're a beat to every girl's drum. I see a boy who missed his home run. Boo-hoo, you can miss me with that shit.
So loves, 10 minutes is up, so I'm going to be scrubbing the floors of the bathroom. Okay, I'm using the same sponge I used to scrub the walls to scrub the floors of the bathroom. I'm going to scrub each corners of all the whole floors just to remove the dirt and the stains. Yeah, let me know in the comment section, how long did it take you to clean your bathroom? Do you clean it once a week, or like deep clean your bathroom? Do you deep clean once a week or twice a week? For me, I deep clean my bathroom once a week. Like deep clean it though. Normal cleaning I do is mob, wash the toilets. You know, you have to wash your toilet every day now. Yeah, so I wash the toilet every day. I wash the sink every day. But like for scrubbing the floors and scrubbing the walls, I do that once a week. So total in a month, I scrub the walls and the floors. That's 4 times in a month. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section, how do you do yours? And you know, we interact in the comment section and we learn from each other. So maybe I might learn 1 or 2 tricks from any of your comments. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share and comment. If you've watched to this extent, thank you so much. I really do appreciate. Please watch an ad, and you can super thanks me. You can join my membership. You can super chat me, and I'll really appreciate. This is another way for you to support my channel and to support me.
I see a boy who missed his home run. Boo-hoo, you can miss me with that shit. I think of you when I'm intoxicated. I don't know why I get frustrated. I bet I was on your mind. Last night we fell by your side. Oh, you can't deny. I bet you wish it's you and I can see that you still try. Oh, your sweetest dream, but only in your memory. Only in your memory. By your side it's you and me. Only in your memory. You wish it's only you and me. I really need to get some sleep. Used to say it's you and me. Only in your memory. Only in your memory. I bet I was on your mind. Last night we fell by your side. Oh, you can't deny. I bet you wish it's you and I can see that you still try. Oh, your sweetest dream, but only in your memory.
Go and watch your phone.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours.
Just make me just make me
So loves, this is what the bathroom looks like. I'm all done with the 2 bathroom. This took me like 2 hours to deep clean. So I'm going to be using this room fresher to, you know, give it a nice smell. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one.